With brazing, brazing has different alloys in it. It does have silver in it, and so we are brazing this joint together, and that's how we're going to get this to go together. It will provide a very strong bond in order to make this a structural feature. I've got a tip on here. It's just a oxypropane torch. I like to use the oxypropane because it's cheaper. You can use the torch that you have on hand. You will need something with oxygen, however. So I like to preheat the whole joint where I'm going to actually be adding the silver solder to, or adding the braze rod to. And I like to just rub this on the surface. And as soon as you see it start sticking to the surface, you know you're getting it hot enough. When the piece hot enough, you'll see this braze rod actually just kind of melt into the surface.